Hi everybody, I'm doing some beta testing for MachLabs and their M31 EtherCAT MachPro system. I pretty much have it ready to go. I'm just doing some calibrating on the new ball screws and getting everything set back up. I did run it on Mach 4 and I just did a calibration run and I got it calibrated back to where it should be, and I think that's pretty close. Got everything all ready to go. In case you're wondering, this is a 66 Corvair with a little 327 in the back seat. Hopefully getting her back out. But back to this, it's pretty much a breeze just to set it up with their calibration mode. It makes it pretty simple. Eventually, when I get down to it, I'm going to use some dial indicators and make sure I get it perfect. But it cuts wood. If I go to cut some aluminum, then I'll think about doing it. So far it's been working great. Tech support's been awesome for me. And I'm ready to start making some stuff. Thanks, everybody. Talk to you then.